Guys, let's just unpack here on Uningia eMzansi. Hayibo guys, indaba Sisters lo BBL uWandile Ndlovu. Remember, there's an allegation actually yokuthi they deleted uncle after the uncle had some altercation with the mother. The mother was saying to the uncle, please, at least a radio, cause the radio is actually making noise. No music that you are playing is too much. And then when she also went to see the uncle outside, they've got like outside rooms. They're in their house somewhere in Israel. And then the next thing, when she goes the mother to uncle afuna ukwehlisa music, and then when the mother comes back, she has now a sullen face. And then the children was like, Uncle Linda, why did you murder our mother? Like, what's going on? You know? They went there. And then the next thing, the uncle was head step wounds. Angazi was stepped. Angithi head stepped wounds. That's about 3. And then he was left outside. I don't know the story. So it was cold. The ambulance didn't come in time. And then the uncle passed away while they were waiting for the ambulance. And then Sisilo was arrested. Uwandile Ndlovu. Owe body works for me. You remember her show when it's on TV? How? So she was arrested with her mom and the sister. So jail paid manje bahlala ejele like full time. So they are in Sun City now. Aba ingaphumi izolo lo ukuthi what was going on with their bail, right? And then it turns out the story comes out much later yesterday. This is why I'm doing it this morning. They actually didn't get the bail. They're coming back on the 4th of August again to hear if they would get bail. And people are just like, how? Who post that from where? I'm just like, well, people have phones. Umusa Kawula, how do you think it still does the bus and get the bus? He has the phone. People have phones in jail. And then there was another rumor, but I don't know. He's just now vanished. I haven't heard anything about Musa Kawula lately, anyways. Then Usisige is at Sun City with the mom and the sister, the whole family, guys. Niboshi in jail for the next 2 weeks, because it is 2 weeks when you look at it. It's this week. It's a full week. It's Tuesday today. And next week in this cold, I'm just like, no. What happened? And then there will be segregation. Maybe let's put it that way. A lot of groups, 3 or 4 groups, our fan namanya to be a khuluma social media. Angithi uyi-celebrity says, ama-celebrities abulali. That's the question every time. And then people will be saying things like, yeah, futhi Mona, just because Wandile was now staying in Nigeria, married and whatever. How? Nina Nsile sinbophiso Wandile in because we were not there at Wandile's house. We don't know the dynamics. We don't know what happened. Chances are she did actually delete the uncle. Because to this day, kwaziwa futhi ukuthi uncle kahle who kwazad yabona usebeka kanjalo the uncle. So uyayibona angisafuni ngikhuluma ngama step ngoba sometimes ubona uYouTube ngeke uzumazi ukuthi indaba zokugwazana uzoyibeka kanjani. So uncle ke oshona ke kanjalo. I think uncle mhlambe could be or would be buried this weekend by the look of things. And then these 3 won't be there. I'm just like, guys, nini futhi uncle wayegwazwa my cousin. Uyabona ukuthi there's a lot going on with that family. And some feuds as kanje, it's something that has been escalating. But just lindele nje ukuthi yabo one day uzobonisa I'll show you. After school is after school. So uyabona ukuthi izinto so we're not sure. Sizozo again at the bail hearing ukuthi bayayithola ibail, which I doubt, because I claim to shame first offender or not sovele uboshwe kuthiwa nje umbulali. We just underline that and be like, I know you are a deleter. No, we can't. So sime lapho ngendaba zikaWandile. That's what came out of them trying to get a bail yesterday. That was it. They were like, nah, We're postponing until the 4th of August. Thank you so much, guys, for always loving this new channel, Uningia Mzansi. And I was amazed with this channel is actually doing very well. With like, I think this is the 8th video, if I'm not mistaken. But I appreciate you guys so much. Ginsanda over. Okay, guys, let me just add, Guti, another reason why case was postponed is because there's no electricity. I was just like, wow. Wow. But yeah, that was the main reason. Any electricity, even on the day, knowing Johannesburg, anyways. Now and then, you will get cookies. But funny enough, we haven't had a problem with the case, anyways. I think it depends with the area, anyway. Yeah, see you. Thank you, guys.